Hello everyone, welcome to HK Smart Edu. Today we will see various business, finance, trading and Excel courses on Coursera website. These courses are free of cost and you will get this courses link in our description box. Let's see finance courses. First course, Financial Management Specialization. Second course, Understanding Modern Finance. Third course, Behavioral Finance. Fourth course, Capital Markets and Financial Institutions, How to Survive Them. Fifth course, Reinforcement Learning in Finance. Sixth course, Portfolio Optimization. Seventh course, Applying Data Analytics in Finance. Eighth course, Introduction to Valuation with WACC. WACC full form is Weighted Average Cost of Capital. Now, let's see some trading and stock market courses. Ninth course, Reinforcement Learning for Trading Strategies. 10th course, Trading Strategies in Emerging Market Specialization. 11th course, Advanced Trading Algorithms. Now, let's see some business courses. 12th course, Business Opportunities and Risk in Globalized Economy. 13th course, Design-Led Strategy. 14th course, Innovation and Entrepreneurship from Design Thinking to Funding. 15th course, How to Finance Your Venture. 16th course, Valuation for Startups using Discounted Cash Flow Approach. 17th course, Advanced Financial Reporting. Now we will see investing courses. 18th course, Investment Strategy. Now in this video you will get 3 Excel courses which are going to be very useful for you. 19th course, Excel Skills for Business Specialization. This is beginners level course. 20. This course is for intermediate level. 21. This Excel course is for advanced level. If anyone wants to learn Excel from beginning to advanced level, can learn it now from here. If you want any course, you can directly search here or click on Explore and choose the field in which you are interested and enroll in that course. To enroll in these courses, first you have to sign up and create an account on this website. If you already have an account on this website, just log in and enroll in the courses. Now, let's see how to enroll in these courses. Click on Enroll for Free and audit the course. Now you can access this course and start learning. Now while enrolling in the course, if you don't have an option, audit the course and only 7-day free trial is written. So what to do and how to get this course in free? Don't worry, just click on I button. You will get a video best trick to get any Coursera free courses. Thus, in today's video, we saw various finance, business, trading and Excel courses for free. Now, you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.
So subscribe to our channel to get the latest notifications about free courses and share the video with your friends and relatives to get them also utilize this opportunity. Like the video and comment in the comment box below which courses do you want, and don't forget to subscribe.